So we're out here in a section of the forest that I started working on in January. Uh, in this 7-acre tract behind me, I probably pushed over 800 dead trees. Just walked up, pushed them, and they were already toast. So before this became Bask Retreat Center, this forest was not maintained for between 30 and 40 years, and it was just allowed to go nuts and to overcompete and have hundreds and hundreds of red maples basically invade this area where they're not traditionally growing. Swamp red maple, or Acer rubrum, likes to grow in low-lying areas, but it is a pioneer species, which is why there were hundreds and hundreds of red maples on this slope, which has traditionally been an oak-hickory forest, and before that, likely a savanna. So what we're looking at is 30 years of misuse and no forestry management. We've had 6 different forestry consultants, as well as SGI, Southeastern Grasslands Institute, come out, and they've all advocated for the same thing, which is to continue thinning the forest to making it a more open canopy with better airflow and light flow so that the understory can restore itself. The first step was cutting down trees, but one of the next steps is going to be controlled burns, and we'll likely be doing one of those next month in one of 3 tracts over the 7 acres. You never really want to burn a whole area at once, according to SGI. You want to burn it in tracts so that the plants and animals can recover and you're not stressing the entire population. You know, the animals can escape the fire and so forth. So we're going to be following their protocols to the letter, and we're looking forward to rejuvenating this section of the forest.